Yo, what is up, guys? KhasiBoy is back with another reaction video again and again. Man, these reaction videos, I love doing them. So guys, as you can see that my room is different because I'm in my hometown now, helping my mom. She's very busy, so yeah. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do a reaction video on the song called Paralok Wa Maya by Shanbor featuring Lando. Man, I've never heard any of these guys, so I hope the song is good. This is my first time watching and listening to it, so I'm so excited. Let's go, guys. Come on. Oh, Kiki Garrett the Badakat. Kiki Garrett is really good. Very good producer and director. Wow. Whoa. That Jeep is awesome, man. I love the Jeep. Wow. Wow. There's so many girls in this video. Okay, I love the tune, the music, but the guy's voice not that, not that good. Not really for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, the voice not that good. Oh, nice place. Where's that place, guys? Whoa. Wow, actresses. I like the actress. Wow. Actress is good. He's like, tough guy. I like his appearance. And there's so many girls in this video. Wow. Nice. Oh, the Jeep! Wow! Whoa! Actresses. Sorry. Whoa, who's that guy? Is he her boyfriend? Wow, what a smile, man. What? Are they going into fight? Oh, shaking hands. Wow, they're friends. Oh, he's a rapper. Kawa itu nak orang blue. Hamya bichni nang. Wow, I love that place. Oh, actor is so gangster, man. Gangster. Oh, let me go back a little bit. No, the girl standing on top of the Jeep. She's gonna ruin the paint, man. She's gonna get some scratches on it. Man, what a nice Jeep. Look, they're standing on top of it. Okay, nice dance. Ooh. Man, people who can dance are really. Wow, I love people who can dance, man. myself, I not even a single move. I can't dance, man. Dancing, partying with all my dearest friends. Where's everybody? Only 2 girls now, why? Where are the other girls? Okay, so that's the end of the video, man. Wow. So at the end of the video, all the girls disappeared and only two girls left. Where did all the girls go, man? I wanna see the girls! Girls! Sorry, I have a girlfriend. I don't wanna see girls, I just wanna see the girls in the video. Okay, so overall, the song is okay, not that good for me. Okay, so but I like it, I enjoyed it, so what? As long as we enjoy it, doesn't matter, man. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna end the video and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Cheers with some green tea. Bye guys.
Boy in this house, KhasiBoy in this house, KhasiBoy in this house. Nabayang Hamadan, open ki ya ketudang nang tau. Shot hadu bakan dakat, hang tau plat lenti hadu bau